Are you guys? So this is our little
Daddy, now we know
makeshift.
next rabbit trip. Daddy, now we know next rabbit trip we cannot bring
What we
syrup.
got some bacon, some chorizo, some avocado, some beans. Girls got some huevito.
Okay, now we
She's
have
got
to.
her milk mustache.
Wait.
What?
Wait, now we have to remember not to bring syrup, or else the bears are gonna start drinking and start sitting on the
This
chair.
is my little situation. Chorizo con huevo with some salsa, avocado, some beans,
Wait. I wanna
and
see it.
got a little
Can I
3D
see it?
energy to kick off the morning.
Daddy, show my face.
So, yeah, man, this is what we got going on. This is our little situation with the little Blackstone griddle. Got this right here, and I'll try to see if I can throw in some footage, but we had a bear come into our campsite like around 4 in the morning and devour our our little situation that we got here, and got into this case here, and just kind of went to work looking for food, and we made the mistake of leaving Nutella and some pancake syrup in there. So now we definitely know, never do that again. But yeah, man, that's kind of our situation right now. We're just chilling, hanging out, eating breakfast, and then once we're done with breakfast, we'll probably hit up Lake Mary. This is our little tent, and then you can see the lake right there. We got Josh, Letty, George hanging out with us. You guys can see over here, literally right down our campsite, see Lake Mary. So we'll get into that a little bit later. Get some fishing footage and see if we can get on some fish today. So stay tuned. Peace. All right, you guys. So we are here at Lake Mary. We've got the kiddos over there. Let's see what they're up to. What's up, girls? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm trying to lift that big rock up.
Whoa.
And try to put it all the way over there.
Okay. Juju, what are you doing?
Oh, wait.
Come here. Come here.
You want to see my collection?
So we are gonna try this salmon peach with a Carolina keeper rig. Try to see if I can get this out there. All right, let's cast the car. There it goes. Cast. Let that sink to the bottom. Out there. No, we don't. Yep, we do. Yes, we got one. Is it recording? Yeah, it is. Alright, guys. So we're on.
Everybody, we got it.
Woohoo! Here, come here. You reel it in. Come on. Come behind me. Come behind me. Come behind me. Behind me. Behind me. Right here. Right here. Go ahead. Remember, put this right here. There you go. Yep. Come on. Come on. Go. Yeah. Let go. Woohoo! We got a fish. Look
We
at
got a fish.
Look at
That's so cool, Mommy. We got a fish.
Hold on. I'm gonna have to take my shoes off and get in the water. I think it's little.
But I want to keep it.
Hold this.
I want to keep it.
Yeah, hold on. Let me get in the water real quick for you.
Ah, this fish is beautiful. You know, one of my friends
Got a
said
little
you
guy. Babe, can you give me my sandals?
Can someone grab the pole for me, please?
Here, I got you. Put it in the water. Put it in the water. You gotta remember, yeah. You gotta let it breathe.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold this. Hold this. Just hold it, okay? Good job, Juju. You're being a good helper. Wow, that was quick. I was not expecting the bite to be that quick.
Yeah, me too. That was my pole, wasn't it?
Yep, that was on the salmon peach.
Salmon peach, can we use that again?
Let me see.
Can you use that again?
Ooh, this water's cold.
Daddy, can we keep it?
Sure. Yeah, we're gonna have to. You choked it. Come here, Juju. Juju's down. Come here, Juju. You're gonna hold the fish. Put your hands like this. Like this. There you go.
That's cool.
All right.
Hi guys, we have a first fish and it's dying right now, but it's still alive.
It's gonna be a little yummy one.
Yep. Oh, it's dying,
Right?
it's dying. Daddy, it's
okay.
Juju!
Here, Bree, you hold it now.
Wait, Daddy, what's
I got you.
diving?
Put your hands underhand. Underhand.
It's bleeding.
It's okay, Bree. From where it got hooked on the gill.
Okay, go wash your hands out there.
Here, wanna hold it? That's a no. All right, hold this.
But it's still alive.
Yep, it is. All right, guys, check this out. We got a little rainbow. We were using the salmon peach power bait. So that's producing, so we'll just keep on casting. Come on. Come here. Come here. Right here. Right here. Hold it. Come on. Get it, reel it in. That's right. Go.
Faster, faster.
Go, faster. Bree, go under Juju. Go to the right of Juju. There you go. Go, reel it in. Reel it in. Go. Look, Bree, it's over there, look. Go, get it, Bree, get it. Hold on, Juju. Get it, put it under. There you go. All right, okay, let go. Hold on, let me open the bell. There you go.
Wow.
Okay, go see the fish.
Whoa.
Put it in the water, mommy.
Hold it out.
There you go.
Fishy. Oh, fishy, it's okay.
Set it down. There you go, like that. Put it on the ground. That's it, like that. Perfect. All right. This is the second trout of the day.
Oh, it's slimy.
You guys
Daddy,
can
I
see.
want to touch it.
Woohoo! Second. Oh! Get it! Grab it! Grab it with both hands. Bree. Stop being a chicken. Come on. There you go.
Daddy. Stand the net.
Hold on, we gotta put it on the here.
Right there.
Got the second one. Juju, get the net. Get the net.
Here, I got the net.
Okay,
Okay.
go ahead. It's in front of you. It's a nice one. Look, you see it? Okay, come on. See it? Okay, hold on. Slow down. Bring it to Bree. Bree, put it under. Scoop it under. There you go. Yeah. Woo! Mommy's first fish. That's right. Oh, snap.
High five.
Woo, look, guys. Mommy got her first fish.
Crazy.
How did it feel, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah, was it fun? Whoa, baby. Okay, hold on. Open the bill. Open the metal thing. Open it. There you go. Open it. There you go. Okay, close it. Close the bill. It's stuck. Number 3, guys. On the power bait. Check it out, guys. Little ones. Yeah. Oh yeah, those are the little minnows they're eating. All right. Got our stringer right here. Yep. We'll reach the limits. There you go. 4 little dinkers. Check it out. 4 little fishies. All right, good job, Juicy and Bree and Mommy. All right, one more. Got a couple trout. Out here in Lake Mary. Beautiful day for some fishing. We out here. We on them. Got 4. Not too bad. Check it out. Grilling some burgers. We got some burgers. We got the kids over here hanging out. What's up, Bree? How did you like fishing today? Was it fun?
Yeah.
How many fish did you catch?
I caught 1, but
Let's go see what Juju's doing.
but
Juju!
I caught 4.
What's up, Mama? Hey, how many fish did you catch?
I catched 1.
You caught 1 fish?
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
I rolled it in myself.
You reeled it in yourself?
Yep.
Give me 5, girlfriend. That's what I'm talking
Daddy,
about.
Me too. So I could jump.
Okay.
Me
Up high?
Oh. Daddy, did like this.
Like this?
Like it.
Oh,
Daddy,
up high.
say the yellow.
Okay, up high. Down low. Too slow. Oh, you got me. Okay, up high. Down low. Oh, you got me again. You guys are quick. Okay, give me 5. Up high. Down low. Too slow. Got him. Okay, give me 5. Up high. Down low. Too slow. Got you. Yes.
Maybe if it was
Guys,
yummy.
so-
I don't want.
So we just had an encounter with a bear, and we were in our campsite, literally like
With my friends.
So everybody was, we were at the campfire, we were having s'mores, right? And so everybody's in a circle, campfire's going, we got, music playing, and then all of a sudden you hear Brianna. She looked, tell us what is it that you saw? What were you doing? Tell me what happened.
I was talking to my friend Adriana. So she was sitting right next to me, and I felt we were way too back in the dark, and everybody was so close in the circle, but we were like apart and so far away from each other. So I thought there was gonna be a bear gonna be so close to us that something would happen. So then it did happen. So when we kept on talking for a little while, like I think 1 hour. So I wanted to look at the knots again because
the gnats, the little mosquito bugs.
Yeah, because they're like everywhere surrounded, and I felt like something was behind me, and then there was a bear, a big giant bear, like
That was scary, y'all.
I know.
It was brown, huh?
It was brown and super big.
Yep.
I looked at it and it was staring at me. Oh my God. So
That's
it was
crazy.
staring at me. So it just moved his head so it could just find some more food. He said, "I'm just gonna carry on." So it just didn't care. So I said, "Bear, bear!" So everybody just started screaming, even the adults. So we started running to the other side.
So what did you do?
So
When
what I did, I grabbed Adriana's hand, I pulled her tight, and then we started running, and I tripped over. I almost tripped over the fire. So yeah, I started running with her, and I found her mom. I said, "Oh my God, I can't believe I found her mom." So I was saved. We went with her. So I still was grabbing Ariana's hand, and I was grabbing her mom's hand super tight. So we kept on going to the side, and then the mom started screaming because about the bear, because we thought we were gonna die.
And then, how did you guys get in the tent?
Well,
Because everyone started running and everyone ran in the tent.
So then the moms were saying that everybody get in the tent, you'll be okay in there. So we started running, and then Adriana and her sister was pushing each other, and I said, "Hey, I want to get in, hurry up and go." So I had to push them in, so then I went in, and then I started shaking all over my body. I was like so scared. So I said, "Mommy, close the door. I'm so scared. I think the bear's gonna come back." So we were like here in the tent until the bears was gone.
Yeah.
And then now it's gone. Now I'm so scared of bears. So that's why now I am not gonna be doing s'mores again.
So the bear came, and right next to our chairs, we have like this red plastic bin, and on that bin we had the marshmallows, the chocolate, the graham crackers, and so it legit came. I turned around, so I hear Brianna say bear. She runs, she grabs her friend, and then they run by the tent, and I get in front of them so like
Daddy,
I can like
stop talking about that. I'm
so I
shaking
can
again.
so I can protect them. And then so me and my friend Josh are just standing out there. Literally happened within 5 seconds. Everybody runs in the tent, and so me and Josh are standing there like, bro, we're literally gonna have to fight this bear. So we stood there, and then I just saw the bear grab the marshmallows, the bag, and then went over by the restroom, and it went to the back, and everyone started screaming, making noise, and we were clapping and stuff, and then screaming, and finally the bear just like went away.
Good thing I started screaming. I screamed hard there was a bear, because I thought the bear was gonna start attacking me. I was not paying attention to where I was walking, but I tripped over a rock.
Really?
Yeah, I did not pay attention where I was walking. So yeah, I screamed so loud.
So yeah, that was our night. Pretty intense. Scary as heck.
No,
Dude, I swear, I turned around, I saw that bear.
Wait, can you tell them?
It was big.
Can you tell them where Josh is at right now?
Josh, he's hiding.
Where?
He's hiding in his secret hiding spot.
Where? But I want to know where.
He went to his truck. He's camping in his truck. Yeah. So anyways, yeah, that was a story of the night. We'll see what the morning looks like. We'll kind of show you guys where everybody was at, and just kind of how it all played out. So anyways, stay tuned for tomorrow. Peace. What's up, guys? So it is the next day. I kind of show you our situation here. So this is kind of where everybody was sitting, hanging out, and so I was literally standing like right here. We had the fire go, sitting down. All the smoke was going to my face, so I stood up. Was kind of hanging out right here. My buddy Josh was chilling right here. Just everybody was kind of just hanging out right here. And Brianna sitting in this pink chair, and her friend was right here. And then we had the bag of marshmallows and s'mores kind of right here. And there's Josh. And so Brianna looks this way. And then that's kind of like the lamp that she was talking about. It was like flooded with like gnats and stuff. So she turned around, looked at that. In the process of looking at that, she sees a bear coming this way. Obviously freaks out, screams, grabs her friend. They book it this way. And then I believe one of them like tripped over this thing right here. And everyone just kind of fled over here. I'm standing here, Josh gets up, and then so the bear comes, grabs the bag, makes its way down this way. So I'll kind of show you where. So it comes out this way. I believe it made its way down here. Down here. Just came all the way down. And started munching on the marshmallows. You can see here's the Hershey's. Here's the chocolates. Oh, here's our bag that it tore up. Jacked it all up. And here's the marshmallow bag. Over here. Dude totally devoured it. Straight up. He was all up in that. And here's the graham crackers. The box. Ate it all up, man. It was all obviously came from over here. But that's nuts. Nuts, dude. Straight came down to the campsite. It was like 10. I believe it was like 10 at night. And we were all just hanging out. Had the campfire. Trying to enjoy the night. Just hanging out. Listening to music. Yeah, man, that was probably one of the scariest moments of my life. Where I turn around and I see a bear literally coming straight at us. Thankfully, Brianna got up from her chair and ran. Because it was so dark, you couldn't really see anything. And I mean, we did have that light, but it wasn't too bright to where it could illuminate, you know, a couple of feet behind it. But just, I don't know, Brianna's instinct kind of kicked in. She just turned around, looked, and there was a big ass bear. And yeah, she was screaming, yelling. Everybody was kind of screaming and yelling. And yeah, she essentially like saved everybody. Because had she not screamed, I think everybody would have reacted after. But legit, bear came right here, snatched up the bag, and here's the kids' chairs. It's nuts. Anyways, that's enough story time.
Choo-choo.
Hi, Choo-choo. How are you? How are you?